Organising yourself. This might be one of the most important videos that I go through, and it's organisation. But it's not only organisation for the physics subject, but all your subjects, and really just this year for you. So for physics, I recommend having 2 notebooks, A5 128 page. One notebook will be for your notes that you do for the videos, and the other notebook will be the questions that we perform in class. When you take the notes at home, it's important to get into the routine. So what I recommend is having that routine set out in a schedule of some sort. I use Microsoft Outlook just to keep me reminded of what to do when. But you might have your own methods like a to-do list or something like that. It can be handy this year to have your to-do list electronic, and that way you can access it on your phone when you need to, so you can organize yourself when you're coming into school on the bus. Whatever method you choose to keep your schedule, it's important every time you get an assignment or a due date, record it straight away. That way, if you get a new one, you can see if it clashes with other due dates and you can negotiate with the teacher about what to do. It's also important in this schedule to include your working hours, your sport commitments, any holidays that you're going on, any other plans that you have. So it's all part of it. It's not just all about school, it's about your life organisation this year, because physics is a hard enough subject as it is, and if you get on top of the organising, it can be a big hand. Physics can be difficult, but there's always plenty of support to help you through this year. Support would include myself and the other physics teachers at the school. Other support includes your parents, your friends, and using the internet to search for the topics, as they may explain it a lot differently than I do.